Here's an SUV to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1994 Chevrolet Suburban, half-ton or 1500, two-wheel drive model. In the original color. Kind of medium blue and silver combination. Underneath the hood, 350 powered, so Chevy small block V8 underneath there. That is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Also has power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Show you one little touch up in the hood. It may have had a bug shield on it once upon a time. You can see where it's wore, and they've kind of touched up the blue paint right there. And a couple spots, just want to point out, you see this a lot in this vintage. You get a little bit of that kind of that chrome look peeling, the overlay peeling off. But otherwise, take a look at the chrome bumper, headlight surrounds, grille, otherwise in nice shape. And it appears much of this, if not all, besides a few of those little touched up spots as far as paint, is the original paint. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Approximately 126,000 miles on the odometer. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, check out the undersides, has a new exhaust system on it, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. Riding on the original rims. Nice radial tires. Plenty of tread on those. And you can take a look up and down the side of it. There are a few little dings, and I'll kind of point out as I go along. But overall, as far as a lot of the areas you see rust on these, that's quite typical. Very clean on this one. Now, when I get back here, I know there was a couple. You can see it, just a little one there. There's another little, there you go, like that. So I just want to kind of give you a fair representation of this. But considering age and miles, very nice shape. Take a look at this interior while I'm over here. This would have the 8-passenger seating, cloth interior, and interior nice shape. Don't see rips, tears, holes in the fabric. Front buckets with armrest. Take a look at this dash. How many times do you see these sun-baked or cracked? We'll check it out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email. Come around to the rear here, you're going to notice that it has barn doors compared to the lift gate. A lot of people like this better because you can get right up close to that bumper. Don't have to worry about the lift gate swinging, the glass closing, opening. So nice setup with the barn doors. And you can see carpeting, rear of this in nice shape. Also, headliner. You're not going to be able to see it from here very well, but the headliner is up. Nice shape on that also. We'll take a little closer look at that when we open the passenger door. Doors close nicely. Hinges aren't all rusty and tight like you see also. Very many models of this made that have that same problem. Looking good on this one. All right, look up and down the driver's side here. Again, you can see how straight that is. See how nice the paint is on this side, as well as the passenger. One little ding kind of up by this door. If you can see that. Tough to get it to show up. And again, once around the wheel wells, there was one I noticed right here. But what you don't notice is rust or bubbling. This looks like still they had a plastic, kind of a clear protectant on it for rock chips from the factory. That looks still original. And again, you can see the bottoms of the doors in the still pictures. I have at the bottom of every door. They're not rusted out. Take a look at that in the still pictures. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Of course, nicely equipped. Power windows, power mirrors, locks, tilt cruise, AC, AM, FM cassette. We're going to fire this up too. I want to show you something else. So here's your exact miles, 126,488. I'm going to fire this up. Again, 350 underneath the hood. As you can see, the pod is working fine over here as far as the heat and AC controls, and then also the stereo system. So I'm just going to click up the volume. That is working fine. AC we can click on down here. Like I said, AC does blow cold. The radio back off. So that pod is working. As you know, in this model, that's kind of one of the things too that you do notice sometimes where they're not functioning properly. And that AC blows cold, definitely. All right, take a little closer look at the seats here. And again, you can see that they're not a lot of wear on them. Free of rips, tears, holes. Very nice condition interior. And see if I can get you a little better shot of that headliner. There you go. Once again, headliner in nice shape. And new exhaust system. Take a look at those underside pics. You'll see what I'm talking about. Slip around to the back. Of course, the receiver on the rear if you need to pull a boat, trailer, camper of some sort. All right, I'm going to pause this. I want to let you see this engine bay and see how nice and tidy that is too. Listen how smooth that is. Again, 350 paired with an automatic overdrive trans, power steering, brakes, and AC. Very smooth running, good sounding engine. Does has been a well taken care of truck, no doubt about that. 1994 Chevrolet Suburban, half-ton or 1500 two-wheel drive model. Give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.